The 2018 11-inch and 12.9-inch iPads from Apple use the industry standard USB-C connector. Other tablets in the Apple range use the Apple proprietary Lightning cable. I was looking for a way to allow existing Lightning cables to be used with the new USB-C iPad Pro. Amazon offer an adapter from a company called ArkTek that allows Lightning cables to be plugged into USB-C devices. It's a relatively small device, relatively cheap. The pros are it supports device charging and bidirectional data transfer. On the negative side, it does not support high power, rapid charging or audio or video transfer. We'll now demonstrate using the ArkTek USB-C adapter to recharge. We have an iPad Pro, this is the 11-inch. We have the adapter. We have a Lightning to normal USB or USB-A cable, and we have a power bank. So we will connect the adapter to the iPad and then put the Lightning cable in the adapter. Now connect that to the power bank. And there we go, now charging. We're now demonstrating the data transfer capability of the ArkTek USB-C adapter. Here we have the iPad Pro, the ArkTek adapter, a Lightning cable coming through to a USB-A connector plugged into a MacBook Air. Both devices are running iTunes, both displays are showing iTunes. Under the menu down here you can see the contents of the iPad Pro. We'll now demonstrate the data transfer function using the ArkTek USB-C adapter. We have the iPad Pro, the ArkTek USB-C adapter. We have a Lightning cable coming round, plugged into the MacBook Air. Both screens are displaying iTunes, and on the MacBook down here we have the contents of the iPad. In conclusion, the ArkTek USB-C adapter offers good functionality at a low price.